See this right here? Lift this, that's where we keep our water. And here, some crackers and stuff. More clothes, like socks and underwear. In here is medicine, all medicine, and vitamins back there, and back there, which I'm getting ready to take. And here is hair products and books. This thing even comes out, and we keep stuff under here, scissors, pencils, and stuff like that. Down there is weights. You see those weights? See, you see the jug of water, and that's what we buy. And this here right here is a table that we also use. Like, we can eat on this, and then I mainly eat on the table. This here is another cabinet with our paper plates, plasticware. You can see that. And we also keep, wraps up in here too. And condiments. So, spinach wrap, tomato wrap. And also more seasonings, sardines, seasonings, rice, more seasonings in here. Oysters, my husband loves those. But our seasonings and stuff. And also behind here is our microwave. See some bowls. Oh, and open up the television. We have more room, more storage. Keep lots of wipes in here and stuff in there. In that one. So yeah. Oh, I'm about to make me some collagen with my blender. Oh, and we have a little, let me get it out. A little potty right here that, see, here's the legs that come up, and you take this out. No, not that end. This end out. Push it. Well, I need to do it with two hands. Oh, there we go. See? It's our little potty. And these are the bags.
Shorty wanna let you know. Shorty wanna let you know. Shorty wanna let you know you appreciate it. Calling you pretty, that's an understatement. Making these songs, you keep me motivated. Been like 3 days since we separated, but the feeling's still amazing. Baby, you tired of nigga patience. Wanna update your status in relations. Wanna tell all these thirsty hoes I'm taking. You ain't gotta worry about nobody I dated. Fuck them bitch, they all be hating. In my heart, do you take donations? Give me a time and a location. Baby, I'ma be there for you waiting. Yeah, you the only one, no duplication. Shorty, I'm drunk, intoxicated, but I mean every word I'm saying. Shorty, you art like illustration. And you smart, you educated. I just wanna help you get some paper. We can go up like elevator. We can take off acceleration. I ain't never been so dedicated. I ain't tryna have you irritated. Really just tryna match your vibration. Shorty wanna let you know you appreciate it. Calling you pretty, that's an understatement. Making these songs, you keep me motivated. Been like 3 days since we separated, but the feeling's still amazing. Baby, you tired of nigga patience. Wanna update your status in relations. Wanna tell all these thirsty hoes I'm taking. You You ain't gotta worry about nobody I dated. Fuck them bitch, they all be hating.
Doctor studying today. Before taking Verzenio, tell your doctor about any fever, chills, or other signs of infection. Verzenio may cause low white blood cell counts, which may cause serious infection that can lead to death. Life-threatening lung inflammation can occur. Tell your doctor about any new or worsening trouble breathing, cough, or chest pain. Serious liver problems can happen. Symptoms include fatigue, appetite loss, stomach pain, bleeding or bruising. Blood clots that can lead to death have occurred. Tell your doctor if you have pain or swelling in your arms or legs, shortness of breath, chest pain, or rapid breathing. About everyday Verzenio. This Mother's Day, celebrate with the Forever Connected collection. Only at K.
Verizon Business Unlimited is your culture. Get more, like Manny, the best plan with our best plan ever.
Yeah, that's what I do.
With 5G ultra wideband in many more cities, you get up to 10 times the speed and no extra cost.
Look at the boat, towboat, 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 towboat.
Get more fish back bites. Bigger, more cheesier, more fish meat.
I'm nervous, yes. Today is the day I'm going to Panama to meet Jasmine, the love of my life, for the very first time.
Don't pay trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man a me by no man. Give a road. Trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes left. Give man a me. Don't pay trailer for sailoring. Rules the left. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no
Yes, right.